Hi guys, I know it doesn't look like it, but it's really cold. The temperature has dropped quite drastically in the last week, but before that, me and Bruno and João actually managed to sail to Rosario beach, and was a really nice day. Have a look at that. Hey guys, probably one of the last sailing sessions of the season. It's December already, although it's a really nice day, but soon Forager will go in the workshop. But for now, let's just enjoy it. There's Bruno over there, of course. And we have a new guest today, João on his dinghy, the Brazilian, very similar to the laser, but just a bit, well, chunkier. We are, guys, Rosario beach. Bruno's gonna get a couple of beers for us. Ah.
Dia depois. Até quando o João aqui chegasse estavam os minis quentes, estás a filmar?
Claro.
João, não pedimos para ti, porque senão os minis ficavam quentes.
Rema, anda.
Rema, João.
É, João. We got the last of the wind. Our good friend here just got us some beers. Yeah, the mask we don't.
Olha, vai ficar internacionalmente conhecido.
Oh, that's nice. Nice beer. João got there too late. As punishment, he got no beer. No beer for João. Nah, he's a nice dude. He doesn't drink. Top man. That was a beautiful day. Unfortunately, from now till end of February, there won't be many opportunities to go sailing like that. We will either have low winds or low tides, or both of them, no daylight. But I'll keep doing some videos. I will get back in the workshop soon, so stay tuned. And now I'm going back in because I'm freezing. Guys, stay warm and I see you next week.